Tēnā koutou katoa e hoa mā. Hey, I hope you've had a great week. In this clip, we're going to be looking at the kite ka sentence structure. For some, it's a simple refresher. For others, you may not have ever heard of this sentence structure, but that's okay because we use it all the time in Te Reo Pākehā. For example, if it rains, I will stay inside. If it is hot, we will all go to the mountains. If she cries, he will be happy. If he is happy, she will cry. If she starts the car, he will walk to the shops. If you write this down, you will remember. What do you notice about all those? There's thousands of examples. If. That's where we come to kite. Kite is another way of saying or writing if in Te Reo Māori. We know kite, don't we? I haere ia kite toa. E haere ana koe ki te whare puka puka, or rua te kaumeneti ki te whā karaka, ki, to. But in this sentence structure, if you see kite at the start of the sentence and then a ka, it'll generally mean if. And I've written here, it's an action and reaction focused sentence structure. Look at this sentence here, it looks daunting, doesn't it? But by the end of this clip, we're going to break it down and hopefully you'll understand it. Let's look at it now. Ki te tai mai a here maia, ka haere tātou ki te whare puka puka. Kite. We've covered kite, haven't we? If. In this box here, it's an action word. Ki te tai mai in this case. Tai mai. Arrive. In this box here is the pronoun, so a person or a something. In this case it's Jeremiah. A Jeremiah. So, ki te tai mai a Jeremiah, if Jeremiah arrives, something's going to happen in the future tense because it's got a ka. Ka. Ka action word followed by a pronoun again. So, ka haere tātou. We are all going to go where? To the library. Ki te whare puka puka. Let's say it one more time. Ki te tai mai a Jeremiah, if Jeremiah arrives, ka haere tātou ki te whare puka puka. We will all go to the library. Hopefully that's starting to make sense. We're going to go through 4 examples, and just like the previous clips, after I give you the sentence, hit pause, come up with the answer yourself, and then hit play and I will give you the answer, and hopefully our answers are pretty similar. Don't worry if they're a little bit off. But before we do that, he kupu hou mā koutou. A couple of years ago a teacher said to me, oh, he tino awe some tō mahi. I thought, awe some, just like makahi. Couldn't find that in the dictionary. But it's pretty obvious when you write it down. She'd turned awesome into awe some. So that's my challenge this week, e hoa mā. Try and get the word awe some in your sentence. Someone may look at you a little bit sideways, but it's catching on. He tino awe some. Alrighty, let's get into these examples. The first sentence for you is going to be this. So whakamaoritia tēnei. If you look, you will see. Alrighty, the answer, te whakautu. Hopefully you got something along the lines of ki te titiro koe, ka kite koe. If you look, you will see. Ki te titiro koe, ka kite koe. Let's try this one. If you cry, I will cry. Did you get ki te tangi koe, ka tangi au? Ki te tangi koe, ka tangi au. If you cry, I will cry. How about I give you a couple of examples in Te Reo Māori? So, whakapākehātia ēnei rerenga. Ki te oma a Jack, ka kite a Jill. Did you get something along the lines of, if Jack runs, Jill will see? It's a strange one, but it's just cementing it up here. What about this one? Ki te kōrero koe, ka waiata ngā kuia. Did you get, if you speak, the old ladies will sing? If you didn't, watch this clip again, slow it down, take a breath, kei te pai. If you got it, kei te pai also. Arai te hoa mā, you can negate these of course like you can with everything, you chuck a few kores in there, but we're going to do that in a later clip. We're not going to get it too ahead of ourselves, we're just going to concentrate on this for now. Kite, ka. If I do something, this is what happens in the future tense, or what will happen. Hopefully that made sense. In the meantime, e hoa mā, until next clip, have a good week, kia pai tō wiki, and have a good night. Kia pai tō pō. Hei kōna.